So the wife and I, we're gonna jump on the bike today and we're gonna do a dual moto vlog as we go through Iron Mountain Road, Custer, and Needles Highway. Let's go.
Dying tree fantasy, come talk to me.
We got in yesterday at around 3:30, and after that we were extremely tired, but went down, grabbed a bite to eat real quick, just kind of racked out, called it an early night. One of the things, and Lindsay, you can kind of share your thoughts on what we saw yesterday as far as the pre-rally crowd and what you think the anticipation is going to be for the rally, which is starting in tomorrow, 24 hours.
I definitely felt it was pretty busy. It definitely seems like they're going to hit their expectations or their estimates of how big they're guesstimating it have to be.
Yeah, definitely. While we were having dinner, we saw a lot of people, a lot of bikes. That was pretty intense, knowing that we haven't even got to the start of the rally yet. What is this road here?
I don't know. You want to take it for a half a second?
I'm kind of intrigued. Actually, what I'm going to do, we're going to take a time out real quick and snap some photos. Might be kind of cool. All right, we'll be back with you in just a second.
I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. This isn't what we wanted. We never thought that it would come to this. And I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. You never really knew me. Stop pretending that you wanted to. Well, I'm just a man, flesh and blood. All I need is real love. Your ticket price is too damn high. I don't play with guns, 'cause bullet holes still remain. That don't mean I've changed. Bullet holes still remain. That don't mean I've changed. That don't mean I've changed. That don't mean I've changed. You never knew what love was. You lived your life